Wyvern. Are you coming to the party?
Here we go!
These are
Hi, we're JLS. See you on Saturday, November 26th.
Yeah.
We can't wait. Hey, this is James Morrison.
Hi, we're the Wanted, and we're going to be at Live 2011.
Hi, this is Pixie Lott.
I'm really excited because I'm singing some of the new material that I've been working on for my new album. So I'm just going to try and get the crowd going and enjoy myself.
Hi, this is Matt Cardle.
You can't stop looking at me.
Hi, I'm Cher Lloyd. I'm really looking forward to performing at the gig. I haven't had a chance to properly play in front of a proper Midlands crowd, so I'm really looking forward to it. I think I'm going to pull out all the stops and go wild.
Emily Sunday.
Wyvern Live 2011 LG Arena.
Saturday, November 26th.
Be there.
Get your tickets at wyvernfm.co.uk.